Okay, today we are going to open a box of the latest Vaporesso. This has just been sent from China, and we just received it today. And here with me is Zainal, which will open the box. You will do the unboxings. Let's do the unboxings. Oh, so this is the variant, the type of Vaporesso it's in this box. It's called Gen S Vaporesso. Okay. Without further ado, please, Mr. Zainal, open the box. I would like to see it. How is it? Yeah, open it carefully. So this is the latest brand of Vapo right now in the vaping world. You can see it. Open it out. Here we go. Vaporesso Gen S. It's pink in color. Is it in pink? Oh, it's pink color. Okay, Mr. Zainal, open it up. Let's see how it looks. Use this knife. You can use the knife. Oh, it has a green peel on it. Sort of like unboxing the latest iPhone. Alright. See how's the product look like. This is the box, Gen S. Let me see it from this side. Okay, let's open it. So this is it, Vaporesso. Hold it up, Zainal. Let me see it clearly. So this is the, what you call it? The mod?
Yes.
Huh? Is this the mod?
The most wanted.
This is the mod.
And this the
Vaporesso.
RTA.
It's quite light on your hand. You can feel it. It's very light. It's not as heavy as other Vapo. And this is the, what you call this, Mr. Zainal? Is this a tank?
Yes, RTA.
This is RTA tank, and we're gonna put liquid on it. This is what type of NRGS, whatever it is. Okay, let's put on the liquid and see how it tastes. Does it have a battery inside it? Do they have batteries inside it? Do you have to put? So you have to put the battery. Oh, no wonder what. No wonder it's so light, because there's no battery in it. So now we have to put the batteries inside. I guess, do you have the batteries? Where are the batteries?
Spare part. Others.
Oh,
Spare part.
this is the spare part. Oh, this is the glass spare part for this tank. Where is the battery? Another. What is this?
This is the OCC, the coil mass coil.
Ah.
Next coil.
Oh, okay, okay. So how much is this cost if we like to buy it on in the market, in the shop? Huh? 1.1 million rupiah, huh? Oh, it's around $80 for sale. The price. Okay. And this is the manual. You can see the manual. Gen S kit. It's all in English and also in Chinese. Oh no, in Chinese. It's in English only, and I don't know what language is this. Okay.